what it is, what it ain't. It's your dirty boy Kid Money KG, and you know it's still ASC. And right now I'm rocking it with the SRS, aka Sexy R&B Sound, the best promotion crew in R&B.
She the type of girl to make you lazy, don't wanna do a thing. I've been thinking crazy lately, like buying her a ring. I used to be at the party with ladies getting down. I used to play with them girls, but I'm thinking different now. Ooh, she's a star, she makes me fly, taking me places I've never seen. 2 worlds apart, but she don't mind, 'cause she's got her wings.